My name is Cindy Boyd. I'm from Seattle. I've been at Iron Mountain 10 years. I work in the hard copy and I also do data management. It's a great job. We get to be outside and meet a lot of people on our routes. In the morning, when we get to work, our route is staged on the loading dock. Our paperwork is in our mailbox. You get to check out your scanner and keys with the dispatcher, upload your route, and it is in sequential order of your deliveries for the day. We get free uniforms, coat, hat, pants, shorts, and shirts. We get a shoe voucher every year. And if we need new shoes or uniforms before the year is up, we just go talk to our boss. If you need equipment or a repair on a hand truck, straps, gloves, safety vest, or an ice scraper, just ask and they are provided to you. I feel like I am my own boss on the route. I do check in with dispatch throughout the day, but they trust me to get the job done in a safe and efficient manner. I love to come to work. The route is different every day, so it's exciting to see where my route will take me for the day. My coworkers are like family. We have a great team, so coming to work is fun. I love working at Iron Mountain, and I'm proud to be a Mountaineer.